Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now this is the bonus page for WP Sync. Now WP Sync is one of those products that you need to purchase. You know, it's not a gimmicky product. It's a product that you will use every day in your marketing business. It's an automation suite like Zapier, like Pabbly, but it does it all for a one-time fee. I use Pabbly. Now, when this launches today, I'm going to buy the full copy, the 147 copy. I'll close Pabbly and I will be using this going forward. Now, it's not released yet. Releases in about an hour's time, something like that. As soon as it's released, I'll be buying my 147 copy. It'll save me probably $100 odd this year, and it'll be able to kind of increase my automations as well. So, why should you buy this? Well, if you're doing any type of marketing online, whether it's Facebook leads, normal email marketing, webinars, anything, you need this. You need it to connect up your different apps that you use. Okay, I'm going to show you how it looks in a moment. I'm going to show you the sales page. First, I wanted to show you my bonuses because my bonuses for this cannot be beat. Now, it's a huge bonus pack, so I'm not going to go through every bonus. I've kind of done a little compare section so you can see exactly what you're getting if you purchase the $47 or whatever you get in if you purchase the 147, and they're both on the same page, which I will show you in a moment. Now let me show you. So WP Sync, that's the front end version, and I'll show you what you get in that in a moment. So you get WP Sync Core, you get 35 connections, so new core connections added as well. So no monthly fees. Now, as I said, my Pabbly is $20 a month or $19.99. Now with that, I'm going to give you the AI agent works. Now what that means is you get white label to these three apps. You get a sales page, you get everything else ready to go. Okay. So you got digital business secrets, you got how to build a $1 billion business, and just before I forget, these three here all come with white label. So you got digital gold rush, you got 30 funnel blueprints, you got the smart audience building app. This comes with white label as well. I need to edit this because it actually comes with white label. Engagement engine app comes with white label. Content intelligence comes with white label. Engagement optimizer comes with white label. Revenue engine comes with white label. Growth console comes with white label. Then we've got the email creator, the audience creator, the legal creator, the marketing creator, the pricing strategist, social campaign AI, traffic plan creator, and you also get the OSM toolbox. Now, if you buy the bundle, so that's the 147, so it's $100 more. You get everything that you get in WP Sync Core, but you get 150 connections. Rather than just 35 connections, you get 150 plus. Now, because you buy that, what we will do is we will do the full SaaS done-for-you setup. So the AI agents tools, we will set those up for you. We'll rebrand them, we'll install them on our hosting, we'll add in the Tier Creator Unlimited. We'll add unlimited credits for the year. You've got done for you sales pages, but we'll rebrand them for you. You've got the marketing packs, and you've also got the app reseller bundle. So what you can do is you can resell some of those apps as a full bundle. And then you've got the done for you reseller package. So all these are included on the bundle section. So that's $3,000 plus, well, $3,879 in extra bonuses. So, and the difference for you is just $100. Now, if you're buying WP Sync for marketing, definitely get the bundle one because, you know, you want all those connections, and I'll show you all the connections inside in a moment. Okay, so just click that there. It will take you across to the sales page, and I will show you the sales page, what you get on each one. So just have a look down. These are all my bonuses. Huge bonus package, really is not to be beat. It really isn't. And the bundle only bonus, it tells you which ones those are. Okay, so just go down. You'll see everything you get. huge bonus package, the 47 or the 147 offer. Now, let me go over to WP Sync. Now, I've got the demo version. Now, there's no versions released at the moment. Soon as this is released, I will be buying, excuse me, the full copy. Okay, so what this does, it helps you sync up your different apps. So let's say you use ActiveCampaign and you want to send ActiveCampaign to one of your webinar products. So let's say someone registers on ActiveCampaign and you want to get that person onto one of your webinars. With this, you can do that. So you can see there's a bridge, Zoom webinar to get response. So it goes the other way as well. So someone registers for Zoom, you can put them on to get response. So JV Zoo Sales, direct to get response, ActiveCampaign. You know, tons and tons of different bridges here, and I will show you the different bridges. So these are the bridges set up. Let me bring up the connections. So you can see here, autoresponder integrations. So you can see the ones that are connected, and you can see how many there is. Connector add-ons, you've got Google Sheets, ClickUp Connect, GoToWebinar, Telegram, Instagram lead ads. You can see all those there. So you can set those up. So what they'll do is they will go from any one of your autoresponders over to your connector. Okay, so you can see how you can kind of really build up your marketing using an app like this. I first used Zapier. I used Zapier for many years, but the cost of Zapier just went ridiculous. It used to cost me hundreds and hundreds of dollars per month. So what I did, I switched over to Pabbly. I've been with Pabbly a couple of years. It charged me $20 shy of 1 cent per month. It's okay, not brilliant. So I'll be cancelling that, and I will be moving over to WP Sync. As I said, if you use autoresponders, if you've got webinars, if you've got, use like Google Sheets, things like that, if you use any type of buying leads or anything like that, you need this product. You know what I mean? If you're going to buy any product this month, make it this one, because this is the product to buy. Okay, so you've got activity log, and again, this is a demo, so make sure you know this is just a demo, and it'll show you what's going on. So like this one here, so webhook in Go High Level. So it's come from Notion to ActiveCampaign to Go High Level. This one from MailChimp to ConvertKit. Beehive to get response to Klaviyo. Go High Level to Beehive. So you can see what you can do with this. It is a really powerful app. So let me jump over to the sales page. So when you come over to the sales page, you don't need to go to the bundle page or anything like that. Just come over to the sales page, come to the bottom where you purchase. You can see the list builder and the complete bundle. So with this one, you only get the 35 autoresponders. If you want to just buy that one, it's fine. But I would be buying this 147. It's $100 more. I've created a huge bonus for this as well, but you get everything else. Like, look, you get the autoresponders, you get the 13 Pro connectors, so you get webhooks, forms, Zoom, GoToWebinar, Google Sheets, Pipedrive, Trello, Airtable, Notion, Monday.com, Circle, So, and Heartbeat. Plus you get the connection to Warrig, plus JVZoo and ClickBank. Then you've got WooCommerce, Shopify, Stripe, PayPal, Thrivecart, Samcart, Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, Kajabi, Teachable, Think, I don't know which one that is, MemberPress, LearnDash. Then you've got Facebook and Instagram lead ads, ManyChat, Calendly, Cal.com, Amelia, Slack, Discord, Telegram. 150 plus apps, and every future connection free. Okay, so this one's 47, this is 147, $100 more, and you're getting so much more for that, and you're getting all my extra bundle bonuses. So as I said, this is one of those products, not a gimmick. It's a product that you need. If you're doing any type of marketing online, then you need this. If you've got Pabbly, finish it, use this. If you're using Zapier, buy this. Now, even if you don't think you need it right now, buy it for the future, because this is one that you're going to need. So take a look through my bonuses. If you want to buy just the front end, $47, you get all those bonuses that I've included. If you want to buy the bundle, which I would recommend, it's $147, $100 more. You're getting all those extras, and you get my extra bonuses as well. So make sure that you lock this in. As I said, this is one that every marketer will need. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.